Here I wanted you guys to see what happens when you apply too much glue. Although that looks like a little bit of glue, it is actually an excessive amount of glue that you don't need to glue the nails onto the practice hand. The nails should stick flawlessly. You don't need a lot of glue at all. Adding too much glue will have the nail slip around. Here, I'm going to just show you a tiny bit goes a long way. Once I add the nail on, you'll see that it evenly spreads. I'm just applying pressure for a few seconds, letting up, and it's done. I repeat the process and have no issues. A little bit go a long way. I will link nail tips, files, scissors, glue, everything down below. Here I just wanted to show you guys how I easily get the stiletto shape. For a cleaner shape, you can go in and cut the nails across to cut the number off, but I just go right in and sort of make a V-cut shape at the tip of the nails. Here I'll show you again, slanting my scissors into a V shape and easily cutting the stiletto shape. It leaves me little to nothing to file. Now, to ensure that the shape is even, what you do on one side, you want to make sure you do on the other side. I just count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go back on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll switch back on to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way, I know I'm filing the same exact on each side. Once you get used to filing, you won't have to count. I don't count anymore, but I'm just letting you guys know that's an easy way to do it, because you don't want to lose track of how long you're on one side and then the nail is crooked. Then for a smooth application with the acrylic, I do go over the top just to take down that hump where the nails meet, and I file up the nail a little bit. I feel like filing up the nail helps the acrylic adhere to the false nail. And that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. On the next 3 nails, I'm just going to speed up the process. This right here I did in real time.